Trump administration has changed the rules just this week for hiring temporary immigration judges. TIJs. The new rule removes the requirement for candidates to have specific immigration law experience. And you guys know how complicated your immigration cases are. Your cases are extremely complex. Can you imagine having a judge on the bench who has the power to make a decision about your life, who has no experience at all in the area of immigration law? It took years for me to even learn what I know now, and there's still a lot more to learn because that's how complex immigration law is. It is actually one of the most complex areas of law, and now the Trump administration is willing to put people on the bench who have no immigration law experience. The administration claims that this change is necessary to address a significant backlog of 3.7 million cases in immigration court. Now, you guys might be saying, well, wait a minute, if they're so concerned about the backlog, why did they fire 60 judges? Why did they offer incentives for other judges to leave? Why did 100 judges leave this year alone? What's that all about? Certainly, it's no secret that the intent here is to fill these vacant slots with people who will side with the Trump administration with regard to how it views immigration. This is a very, very dangerous, significant situation because although these judges on this particular structure, they're not independent like an independent judiciary. They're actually employees of the executive branch. But still, as a judge, many of them consider themselves to somewhat be independent, so to speak, not influenced by politics. But now there is this shift to replace these judges who have experience with immigration law. Many of them were ICE attorneys who prosecuted thousands of immigration cases in court to get the experience and to learn how complex this area of the law is before they even advance to the bench. And now they're talking about actually putting people in this position who do not have immigration law experience. Here's what I think. Lawyers have the obligation, an ethical duty to be competent in the work that they're doing. And if they're not competent, they can be grieved, they can get into trouble. Some can be suspended or lose their license if they really mess things up due to the fact that they just did not become competent in representing a client. And so we're asking people who are not competent in the area of immigration law to sit on the bench. I think this is going to be open season for grievances maybe or filing complaints